Hey, it's John Broussard. Live free at your life. Hey, you good-looking, working-hearted people. I've got a 8-inch grinder here from Harbert Freight. We all know more or less what Harbert Freight is. If you're looking for a cheap tool, it's not going to be heavy-duty or anything, but some of the stuff actually lasts pretty good. But you can get these at a cheaper rate, but they are a cheaper product. But look what I found in here. This box has been, this is not my grinder, and it's been in this box for a long time. 8-inch grinder. Well, I say a long time, probably maybe 8 years or so. And I see some of the oil done possibly leaked out in here. Maybe it's a sealed. I'm not sure how that's built. But on the next part 2, we'll hook it up and drill it to the table and check it out and see if it still works. I'm gonna put some put some one side is gonna be a brush, one 8-inch brush, and then the other one's gonna be a grinder. That's the way I like to have a brush on one side. So anyway, I'm back from had a phone call come in. We'll see how this one turns out. We'll mount it to the table here. Doing a little cleanup in here, trying to somewhat make more room in here. I have it on another video. It was pretty tight in here right now, but got a thing situated. There's a lot in this one room, in this little storage room. But trying to move these up on a shelf, charging, get them off the table. I like to have a good clean workbench. And where you can do some stuff, fix some stuff. But it's making progress, getting things organized back where they go, having a cold one. With the hammers and all that, kind of match up. Screws where they go, electrical box, PVC box. All my drills and stuff like that, cases all go to one area, carpentry. Just so you can go to one area and get it. But anyway, it's coming. I'll jack with this here on the next video and get it mounted and all that stuff. We'll check it out and see how it goes. There's oil was leaking in here, of course. And I guess it's coming from the motor. Maybe it's an oil-cooled system. Or this has been here for 8 years or so inside of a box. We're going to play with it. All right, we'll check and see how it works out. I'll make a part 2. Thank y'all.